That turned out good. There, now I got Scott in there good. Alright, I'm ready.
Just hold the green button down. Okay. Oh, yeah, you want to wait for him? Oh, you got the button.
So glad you're here. I really need help getting out. If you could just find a set of keys, they're bound to be here somewhere.
Oh, they're down there on the floor.
Really? I've asked that dude to reach it for quite a while now.
Yes.
Enjoy the rest of your day here at Windy Acres. Auf Wiedersehen! We have another visitor. Wait. I've been here so long. I am so hungry. I could really go for a hot dog. Has that hot dog asked for blood? That's a bit odd, isn't it? It's rather German, I would say. Bloodwurst, perhaps? It'd be awesome if somebody would ring the dinner bell. I'm so hungry. I've been here for like minutes. Hey, if you could find a set of keys, that would be helpful. Well, first, if you could install a lock on my door so that the keys may work, that would be wonderful. The suspense is terrible, isn't it? I hope it lasts.